Three reasons that you're not making $10,000 a month yet. So I hit my first $10,000 in 2020, and since then I have been having this $10,000 as a minimum standard for me, and there hasn't been even one single month that I haven't made that money. So I'll talk about three things that is stopping you to reach this figure in your business. So we'll talk about all these things one by one, and I'll tell you what can be the reason that you're not still hitting that $10,000 mark, because it's kind of a minimum standard for any business. So the first thing is the mindset. And if I talk about mindset, it can be your limiting beliefs. Your beliefs that you are from a third world country, you are from India, you are from Pakistan, you are from any country, Indonesia, and people in these countries do not make that amount of money. Or the things that you have been taught in schools or colleges, that first you'll become doctor or you'll become an engineer, and then once you turn 30 or 40 or even 50 or never, you will make $10,000 a month. And that's kind of putting end to your dreams, that you'll never be rich. And if you even think about all the rich people, what I see is people who are rich are considered to be bad, because people do not want to do the hard work that these people do. Now, if you talk about the rich people, people think that these are rich because they have some ancestral properties. But if you consider all the billionaires, more than 80% of these billionaires are self-made, and these are the first generation billionaires. Now, it's your problem that you're not making that money. It's your problem that you're not risking things at your end. It's your problem you're not able to do the hard work, or you're not willing to do the hard work. You have to work on your limiting beliefs. You have to work up on all the things that are stopping you to win and achieve your goals. Now, the second thing is habits. What kind of habits do you have? What kind of morning routine do you have? What kind of sleeping schedule you have? Do you complete your tasks on time, or you complete it when there's a deadline? Or do you keep on using the social media? You keep on watching YouTube videos. You keep on watching some YouTube video about productivity, and then you feel that you're really productive, and then you do not do any task. Do you have your notification turned on your phone? Are you just sitting in front of your computer and doing nothing and watching some videos? Are you planning your day in advance? Are you spending a lot of time on eating food, deciding what to eat? These are the habits that will decide that if you'll make $10,000 a month or not. Just think, guys, what I see is people get up and then they plan about their day, like if they'll do what they'll do. But the most important thing that has helped me to make $10,000 at very initial stages was I used to plan each day in advance. I used to write down on my copy that at this time I'll wake up, and then I'll go to washroom, and then I'll drink coffee, and suppose at 9 I'll hit the gym, and at 10 I'll do the meditation. 10:30 I'll read my Becoming 2.0, which is my affirmations book, and then at 11 I'll sit for the work. 11 I'll have my meetings, and by 1 I'll do a deep work till 4, and 4 I'll have the client calls. So everything is planned. The days are planned in advance, the weeks are planned in advance, the months are planned in advance. So you have to do all these things. And what I see with people is when they start living away from home, they keep on searching on Swiggy or Zomato or food ordering apps that what kind of food they'll eat today, and they spend half an hour. And I used to do the same thing too, and I was making $1,000 a month, and literally I used to spend 1 hour scrolling that what can I eat now. But what I'm doing right now is I have my whole week food planned. So my cook comes twice a week. She makes the food. I do a meal prep. She makes the food. I keep it in the refrigerator, and then whenever I have scheduled to eat my food, I'll just put it in my microwave, and then I just eat it. So people try to take dopamine from food, but actually you have to take dopamine from doing the work. Food is just the fuel for your work. Now, the third thing is the skill set. Now, by skill set, I mean, if you are doing Facebook ads, do you know how to do Facebook ads? Do you know how to provide the results to the clients? If suppose you have some offer, do you know how to create your offer in a better way? And if suppose you're not good at some skill set, are you investing upon some course to learn that skill set? Are you investing some time on reading the books to improve that skill set? Are you investing upon some money to test your offer. Now, these are the things that you need to work upon if you're not hitting $10,000 a month, because it's not that hard to hit this mark. It's just some basic things and you need to do that. The first thing is the mindset of a winner. The second thing is the habits, which is one of the most important factors that is in your way to hit that $10,000 a month. And the third thing is your skill set.